Abraham Maslow was an American psychologist best known for his theory of human motivation, known as Maslow's hierarchy of needs. According to this theory, human beings have a set of needs that must be met in a specific order for them to reach their full potential. Maslow's hierarchy of needs is often depicted as a pyramid with 5 levels. Physiological needs, these are the most basic needs, including food, water, shelter, and sleep. Safety needs, once physiological needs are met, individuals seek safety and security, such as protection from physical harm and financial stability. Love and belonging, after safety needs are met, individuals seek social connection, love, and a sense of belonging. Esteem, once the love and belonging needs are met, individuals seek self-esteem, confidence, and respect from others. Self-actualization, the highest level of the hierarchy, self-actualization refers to the desire to reach one's full potential and find meaning and purpose in life. According to Maslow, as each level of needs is met, individuals become motivated to fulfill the next level, until they reach self-actualization. This theory has been widely influential in fields ranging from psychology to education and business.